Okay, Waya. Woo! You ready? Watch him follow the food pan, the food wagon. Yesterday I was running it in here and he was running next to it. I can't do that now because I have the movie camera. You could see he's moving so much better. And his appetite is back. Touch. Touch. We have to tell him when we're going to touch him, because he startles. Alright. I'm going to put your food down, buddy. You going to take some out of there? You can see he's walking so much better than last month's video if you check it out. These vast improvements have just happened within the last week. We had faith, and it's a lot of good karma, prayers, thoughts for him from all of his fans, and we appreciate it because it certainly has paid off. It didn't bring his sight back, but he's certainly doing a heck of a lot better. Now we just took chicken. Hi, Chado. These guys have been giving him some tough love, but I actually think that's what's helped him come as far in this short a time period. He's actually run a few times this month. Once was away from them. Like I said, he ran after the food wagon yesterday. He ran alongside me on my golf cart when I was riding past the enclosure. You could see his tail is tucked. He's still a little afraid of eating with them nearby because he wasn't doing that for so long. He was barely eating when he was in the den. Most times I would take his food pan out and there'd still be food in there. He was just eating enough to survive, and now his appetite has come back in full. I am just thrilled with his progression. And I really do want to thank all of you who are thinking of him. I know there was a big spiritual email list going on all over the world with his plight mentioned, and healing thoughts were sent his way. And I don't know all of you, just know one person of that group, and thank you, Jillian. And I think it's made a huge difference. And now we have more pack members around. Woa, Chado, and Waya's still there. That's him. He is eating different now. I've noticed he holds his food down with a paw. I think that's so he doesn't lose it. And then he puts his head down on the ground, turns it sideways, and eats. But whatever works for him. Now this is after dinner, and as you can see, he's no longer retreating to the den. He hasn't been in the den now in about 5 days. He's taking his naps and resting time outside. He tries to go by the rest of them, but they won't allow it yet. You have to remember they really don't understand what happened to him. And I'm sure with time, he'll be allowed back in to their mix. He's looking more and more like the Waya that we knew. And this has been a relatively short time period since he's lost his eyesight. About 6 weeks, so he's doing really good.